What's up guys? Today may vlog tayo ngayon. This is a called i-open natin yung isang nabili natin sock sa isang website na kung saan tinatawag na www.snug.com.tw, kung saan we buy socks. 3 pairs of socks. So let's see. Let's open it now. Okay, so here we just open it and let's check. Check natin kung ilang socks yung nabili natin sa snug.com. This is this one. Alright, so here we have one. Tapos, ito number 2, crew socks, and number 3, yeah, it is okay, and ankle socks. Isa-isa nating buksan kasi sabi dito, ano daw ito, this is made in Taiwan. Made in Taiwan, ankle, ibig sabihin hanggang dito lang siya, oh. Hanggang dito yung paa niya. Sa may ankle talaga. And it's called ankle socks. Nabibili ito sa snug.com. Now, let's try to open it. Asigaso, or hour. What do you mean by this? Ibig sabihin, 99% siya na hindi maamoy yung paa mo within 24 hours daw. So, let's try to open it. Ang size nito is 22-24. So, the color is gray. Yung uso na color ngayon. Color gray. And now, let's open. So, bali ganito yung style. Pag sinuot mo siya, ganyan yung style ng socks. Hanggang sa ankle talaga siya. But usually these are for men. No. Yeah. Okay, so ito ibig sabihin daw, parang may foam. Meron siyang material sa loob na mang-absorb ng amoy ng paa. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so let's try to open. Madaling natin. Okay, ito. So, 3 pairs. Ito, iba-ibang kulay yung binili niya kasi gusto niya try it out. Okay, let's open it. Oh, yeah. This is also a lycra. Parang ano sila, combine silang company. I think siguro Amazon. Parang meron ito sa Amazon. Alright, so ito siya. Nakapack siya talaga ng ganyan. Okay, so makikita dito yung size. So, this is the size 22 to 24. Okay, so ganito ang packaging niya. Ganyan. Nakakabit talaga siya. Ayan. So, can you see that? Makikita mo to talaga na original. So, original socks na made in Taiwan. Okay, so let's take it out. So, check sa sama yung how to wash. How to wash? Okay, so sama yung pwede siyang ibabad sa tubig. Ibabad sa tubig ng soy plus 1. Pau. Ano yun? Parang ito yung instruction niya kung paano labahan. Pwedeng ibabad siya. So, 1,200 cc. Ibabad siya ng ganyan siya kadaming tubig. Okay? Parang ano to, basin siya. Tapos, lagyan ng water. Yan. Pwede siyang ibabad. Siya. Tapos, makikita dito yung mga specs kumbaga kung sa machine, no? These are the things that they really pinapakita sa tao kung paano nila ginawa yan. Yan. Ganyan. Okay. So, I cannot read kasi it's Chinese. Pero, ito makikita mo, may bibili mo sa snug.com.tw. Alright, so it's 99% talaga siya na hindi daw maamoy yung paa mo within 24 hours. Alright, so let's see this one. Okay, what's that? Ito. This one nakalagay sa sa packaging, no? Nakalagay sa packaging, it means that desiccant ito pang absorb ng moisture. Kaya nilagay nila ito sa packaging plastic. Okay, so this is the style of that, you know. Parang kasya ka dyan. Stretchable pa siya. Okay. Ganyan siya. Stretchable. Ibig sabihin, pag mahaba yung paa mo, pwede pa siya. Ang adult siya eh. Pwede kayo dyan kasi mahaba na yung paa niya. Okay, so ito, may mark din siya na snug. May mark din siya na snug, oh. Okay, so this is the color gray. Tsaka yan, may mark. Okay, I think this is their brand name, Snug. Yeah, it's their brand name. Okay, so this is the first socks na i-open natin. And the second socks is ito. The color crew socks na made in Taiwan, kung saan nabibili din sa Snug. Snug your life. Snug. The size is 22 to 24 din siya. Okay, so this sign, ibig sabihin MIT, made in Taiwan. So 99% din siya, SGS niya, and you can use this 24 hours na hindi maamoy ang iyong paa. So this is also the, I think, affiliate nila ng Lecra.com. That's why may stickers nila dito. Saka ito rin, pag sinuot mo siya, I think this is for girl. Yeah, I think this is for me. Bumili kasi ng asawa ko ng tatlo. Isa sa kanya, isa sa akin, isa kay Chan din. So, this is it. Pang on top of the ankle, yung size niya. Okay, so that's it. Sorry, I cannot read kasi it's Chinese. Alright, so let's try to open. It's the same, no? Ano ba to? Basta nakalagay na mga ganyan. Ganyan na lang. Alright, so here, let's try to open. Yung packaging niya, ang ganda ng packaging niya. Talagang lahat ng paano nila ginawa at yung mga paano mo labhan. Ito yung paano labhan, no? Instruction, paano labhan. Dito natin dito. Okay, let me see. Let's try it. So let's open. Let's bring it up. Okay, there you go. So, ito yung instruction niya, paano labhan iyan. Dapat 30 daw, kataas ng tubig. Tapos, ito, huwag yung i-ayon. At saka, washing machine. Huwag daw i-washing machine ito. Accordingly, dapat ikuan lang natin, ibabad siya, tapos i-gusot-gusotin na lang. Okay, that's it. Okay, so, sabihin yan. 471. Ibig sabihin yan, that is made in Taiwan. Pag nakikita nyo yung bar na ganito, tapos yung first three numbers, that is 471, that is made in China. Diba that? 471. Okay, so this is it. The socks. The socks is like this. Yung packaging niya, nakakabit din sa loob. At ito yung mga instruction, and details niya. And here, there you go. So, let's take it out sa board niya. Ganda ng pagka-packaging niya. Okay. So, that is Snug. Tapos, tignan natin yung brand. This is a brand of Snug. Alright. So, mahaba siya. Mahaba siya. So, ito yung ankle niya actually. Ito yung ankle. Oh, let's see. Ito yung ankle niya. Ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, over the ankle ito. Tapos, ito rin yung size, yung red. And, this is also their brand name, which is Snug. Okay, so, di ko naman pinopromote, pero I don't know this brand. I just saw it today. Second, this is the first time to saw this kind of brand ng, pero accordingly sa asawa ko, maganda raw na socks. Okay, let's open the next one, which is for men. This is for men socks, as you can see naman sa photo, no? Gusto kasi ng asawa ko, yung hiwa-hiwalay yung daliri ng paa niya. He usually used this kind of socks. So here you can see here like that and like that. We have the instruction also of washing, the same as the other one. Okay, so let's try to open. We have the same details in here, and let's try to open. So let me see. Okay, actually this is the toe ankle. This is what they call toe ankle. Yeah, but it's also made in Taiwan. Toe, ibig sabihin din, hanggang sa ankle lang siya. Parang yung isa, ankle. Pero, toe, kasi meron siyang, alam nyo yung socks, daliri ng paa nyo, pwedeng i-separate niya. Ganyan. That's why it's called toe, ankle socks. So, ibig sabihin ng ito, MIT, ito sa red na map, that is made in Taiwan. Let's open. Lecra. Here you go. Here it is. Ayan, tanggalin lang natin ito. And, yan, ang ganda. Wow, na mapiyol yan ah.
它就这个颜色，它这个颜色要等到4月。
It's color red. Yeah, color red and black. But usually this is for men. This is for men style, design. Yes. So guys, sa Pilipinas, I never saw this kind of socks. I don't know this time, but before I never saw it. So I saw it here. You can look. This is sa yung malaking daliri ng paa. Ito yung second naman. Diba separate sila? Tingnan nyo. It's the third daliri of paa, then the fourth, and then the fifth one. Gusto ng asawa ko to kasi na-absorb talaga ng moisture ito. Kaya separate yan. Gusto niya. So, this is also the Snug brand. It's a new brand ata to. Okay, so this is also Snug in here. Okay, so let's try to look at it. Separate. Let's try to separate. Tanggalin natin ito. Yung Snug brand niya. Pang ano lang kasi nito, pang paganda ba? Diba? Sa product. And ito siya yung ano, para sa ankle niya. Ito, parang ganyan siya dapat. Like that. Tanggalin natin siya para makita. Ayan, like that. This kind of socks. Asawa ko nasanay siyang gumamit ng ganito. Pero ako, hindi. Mas gusto ko yung ano, mas gusto ko yung ganito siya. Pero this is absorbent siya. So, that's it. Thank you. Okay, so it's gone. Yeah, it's done. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope na naka-pick up kayo ng other brand ng socks na kung saan nabibili dito sa Taiwan. This is one product of Taiwan na tinatangkilik talaga ng mga Taiwanese.
It's Japanese.
Is that Japanese? Is this Japanese?
Mm-hmm.
Japanese? Oh, this is Japanese? Ah, pero dito sa Taiwan ginawa.
全部都是
Ah, really? So, sabi ng anak ko, from Japan daw siya, pero yung production niya is in Taiwan. Kasi maganda yung ano. Pag talaga product ng Japanese it is very true ba?
技术
日本的技术哦，这个是日本的技术，所以可以了。So I think this is some kind of a brand ng socks, guys. So if you want to buy it, and you just go to this website. You go to this website, just buy it there, www.snug.com.tw. Yes, so you can type in that and you can order from them. Okay, guys, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.